I've just saved this Volvo V70 from being scrapped, and I'm going to give it away to a worthy cause or family for free. So wait, what? Basically, this Volvo V70, which has been in the same family since about 18 months old, was just 1 week away from being scrapped. And I said, no, I'm going to save it from being scrapped. I'm going to do it up, do the work myself, or what I can of it, and then I'm going to give it away to a family for free. Using the power of Instagram and TikTok, I'm going to post a video asking people to nominate a family or cause who could do with a reliable family wagon for the next few years. Look, the car's not perfect, I'll admit. It's got quite a few issues, which I'll show you in a sec. Chief of which was the fact that the MOT was just about to run out. So I had to get the train from Derbyshire to Cambridgeshire in time before this ran out and drive it home. And here's what I saw and its issues. So here it is, 21-year-old Volvo V70. It's, I would say, in used condition, which is probably just being a little bit generous. Front tyres are old and will need replacing. Classic Volvo ownership tape there. Bodywork, I would say, scratched, but not terrible. Again, wheels not in great condition, but it's 21-year-old Volvo. What are you going to say? Classic Volvo combination of maroon and beige. Tow bar, which has been used regularly for trips to the south of France and Scotland. It does come with its issues, that is fair. Number one of which is that the seats are stuck down. The toggle to pull it back up has been ripped off. So that is first priority. That is the driver's door handle, which isn't on. I have some various fluids that have been included with this. Not sure if they're actually to do with the car or not. So this is the problem child, and there should be a little toggle here which pulls this up, but as you can see, stuck down. So that will need sorting before we move it on. Inside, pretty good condition given its age and given how much this has been used and driven around. So it comes with stacks and stacks of receipts. It has been well maintained. Here's my camera bag. As you can see, lots and lots and lots of receipts. Lots of work and money has been spent on this car, which is really, really good. You can probably just see in there that there is no door handle. So, cosmetically, bit of work needed. But all importantly, so far so good on the mechanical front. This does drive, I've been told, very well. So, we'll see, because I've got to now drive this from Cambridge back to Derbyshire. And yeah, weirdly, I'm actually quite looking forward to this drive. I know the seats will be comfy. I'm hoping that they will be heated. This here, by the way, is where the car was technically written off. There was a bash on the wing that would have cost more than the car was worth at the time. The family said that they just repaired it and carried on using it. I was also told that a tree fell on it at one point. It smashed the windscreen and landed on top of the car, but in true Volvo build quality style, can't even tell. So this car has had some life. It's definitely got some life experience, and I'm hoping can live on. Okay, so I've just got home 2.5 hours later, and for the most part the car did its job. Definite wheel wobble, about 70 miles an hour, so it was about 60 all the way. So there's definitely some wheel balancing issues. Those front tyres need replacing anyway. Under braking, the entire car shakes as if you're going over a cattle grid, so definite brake job on that. And I do, at lower speeds, driving around the city, smell the petrol. So there's a leak or some sort of issue with the petrol tank. So those are the first priority bits on my list. The next stop is the MOT. Wish me luck. So there it is, the trusty old Volvo V70. Yes, it's got its issues, and no, it's not in a great state right now, but with the power of Volvo community, with help from whoever I can, I want to get this looking its best. So if you want to follow this journey, please subscribe. If you know of a worthy family, individual or cause, head over to my Instagram and TikTok. The links will be below. Nominate away, but more importantly, join me as I save a lovely car.